guys, hope you all well. As you see, I'm not wearing any makeup except of a lippy and I did my brows a bit. But other than that, fresh face, as we're gonna be creating the makeup look and reviewing in a way the makeup product. Alright, you've seen already the title, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be checking out the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I haven't tried anything from Fenty Beauty yet. Love a little cute packaging, nothing super about it, but it's cute. So what we have in here is the eyeshadow and mini mascara set, the Holidays Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette, and full frontal volume lift and curl mini mascara. All sounds amazing. As I said, I never tried Fenty before. It's not that I don't like brand or I don't like Rihanna or anything like this, just because it's a bit on the pricier side and I'm not jumping straight away on a pricey product. I give it a time, I see what people say, and then maybe I try it. Have you tried anything from Fenty? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Never tried this. I don't know if you guys tried it, so I think without any further ado, let's unpack and see what we got inside, right? I love the packaging, love this like pinkish gold theme going on. Like, it's pretty cute. It's not the biggest size. Just check it out. Got a mirror as well, as long as I see. Yeah, black mirror. Take the film. Mirror and then 6 colors. So we got Violet Wipes, Royal Days, Blood Moon, the Brownie Babe, Honey Splash, and Concrete Lavender. So we got 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. Love, love, love the colors. Oh, love the brush. So one side is completely flat, then another side is white. I love this design, although it's not a silicone brush as I would prefer so, but I love the design of this brush. It looks promising actually, so we should see. Alright, let's do swatches. Let's start from the matte, the Concrete Lavender. Ooh, it feels very creamy rather than powdery. I thought it's gonna be more pigmented than it is, so rather disappointed actually. The Honey Splash. Okay, this looks promising. Okay, this is way better. I love the shade though. Looks more yellow in the hand rather than in the pan actually. The Brownie Babe. Ooh, this is good. Love this one. Let's go to the Violet Wipes. So this is a shimmer. Ooh, this feels extra creamy, like I could almost press it in. It feels buttery creamy, if that makes sense. Ooh, love this. Oh my god, you guys. That is a beauty. Agree, guys. Royal Dazzle. Stunning shade. I love this already. I love gold shades in general. And the last one is called Blood Moon. It feels so buttery creamy. Oh, you guys, wow. Oh, that looks stunning. Alright, so I just prepped my eyes using the concealer and the setting powder. So for this eyeshadow look, I think we're gonna start with this nice beigey yellowish color. I'm gonna go higher than in the creases as we want to see the shade. I don't know what to think of this eyeshadow palette. Like, it's not much different from, you know, the cheaper, more affordable high street eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, taking a bit smaller brush and the brown shade, Brownie Babe. What I'm going to do, I'm going on the outer corners. I'm gonna wobble it. The reason I'm doing this, I want this look to be wearable as well, not just, you know, makeup look. And I have hooded eyes, so I kind of want to lift this a bit. Let's go with a red shade with Blood Moon. I'm gonna use my finger just for now. So I'm going with this all on my mobile lid. Starting closer to the lash line. I'm gonna use a brush later to blend it better. this to be intense. That's why I'm using my finger just for now. Alright, let's go with eyeliner, and then we can go with the lower lash line and mascara. Maybe add a bit more color. So you gotta go with proper wing like to here. Next I'm coming back to this Brownie Babe dark brown color. This smaller than brush. And what I'm doing is this, I'm going like on the top of our eyeliner. Now I love this technique, it's just because I have super hooded eyes, so it kind of blends the eyeliner in on this hood part, where it kind of creases, you know, in a wrinkly way. That makes sense. Next I'm taking this gold shade, Royal Dazzle, and I'm going this in my corner. Alright, well, let's check this mascara. So, love a brush so far. Very interesting. Actually, very good if you have shorter lashes. I kind of like this brush. Oh, yeah. This is good. I don't think I ever tried a brush that look like this. Oh, you guys, this is actually really good. So a flatter side is very good to apply like closer to the roots, to the lash line. You guys, I absolutely love this mascara. I'm like surprised of what I'm not gonna like it, but it's actually so good. The brush, you guys, actually quite something. I didn't know I'm gonna like this so much, but it's quite something. Definitely getting a full-size one. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my face, and then we can do the lower lash line. Alright, you guys, face is done. Let's do a lower lash line so we can finish off this look. So I'm taking the smaller brush in the brown color called Brownie Babe. I'm going with this all over the lower lash line. Let's apply some mascara on lower lash line. I am so getting the proper version of this mascara, like a bigger size. This is just so good. Alright, so what do I think about this eyeshadow palette? To be honest, when it was packed in this thing, I thought the packaging is paper and I was super excited. I was like, yes, you know, more recyclable and so on, but then it's plastic. So for that, because I'm so into all the recyclable things at the moment, I think we all should shift ourselves that way. Love it, it has mirror though. I don't know how you recycle that. I'm telling you, I'm so into recycling and everything now. And eyeshadows, I mean, it's good. I can't say it's bad, but it's not like, oh my god, I never ever tried anything like this. You know, this is the best eyeshadow palette ever. If I'm honest, speaking from my heart, and I'm always super honest with you, I can't say that. That would be a lie. Eyeshadows are brilliant, it's amazing, but it's not mind-blowing. That's what I'm gonna say. if you have loads of cash in your pocket and you can afford it, go for it. Obviously, it's an amazing brand. The eyeshadows are beautiful, very creamy. It doesn't feel like powdery, like, you know, you get sometimes with some other shadow palettes. It's very powdery. It's just, you can't even work it, you can't blend it, it's just too powdery. This feels very creamy, so quality wise is amazing. That's all I can say. The mascara though, oh my freaking god, this brush, I didn't know I'm gonna like it as much as I do. This flat side makes such a big difference rather than being all like this all around. I need to get my hands on the bigger version. I couldn't recommend this more, like go get yourself this mascara. I'm still getting this in a full version. So good. I wasn't truly expecting that. So out of these two, go get this one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You found this helpful. Let me know if you tried any Fenty products. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this makeup look as well. If you're gonna go and recreate this, tag me in your pictures. I would absolutely love to see that. As always, I'm gonna say this again, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't hurt either. All you need to do is press the button. It's gonna support me more than you can imagine, so thank you so much for that. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.